This is Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra. Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. If today is your first time of coming across my channel, you're welcome. And to my returning subscribers, thank you guys so much. God bless you all. So in today's video, I'll be showing you guys how I'll be changing my screen protector. This is Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra. I've been using this phone since 4 months. I got this phone 4 months ago, and believe me, it's one of the best phones I've ever used. I like the fact that it's a big phone. What I mean by big phone, it's not the price. We all know it's very, very expensive. But what I mean is the size. Like it's 6.9 inches. You guys can see it. Very big. And I also like the camera. Like it's very clear. And what I like again is this 100 times zoom. This guy can see it. Like right now I'm in Germany, I can zoom and see Nigeria from here. I beg na joke. So I can remember 2 weeks ago I was coming back from the supermarket and I had this phone in my pocket. So I was trying to bring it out to check something, then it fell up. So I have a little scratches over here. Let me show you guys. That's why I will be changing it. Like I have this one. Can you guys see this one? Then I have this one, this small hole here, and this one, and this one. Not really bad, but I'm the type that doesn't like scratches on my phone. That's why I want to change it. So I actually have this one. I have this one from this my case. Like I have this one. This is the case I'm using before, but because I needed a transparent case, so I went for this one. And this protector came with the phone, with the case I mean. But you guys can see that it's very, very light. Like you can imagine, this is very, very light. I really don't like it. So I bought another one from eBay. This one came as 2, but this one is also light. Like I don't know why they don't have an expensive one for an expensive phone like this. You guys can imagine. Look, this is so light. Like, so I don't know which ones to use. Am I supposed to use this one or use this one, or leave the one on this my phone? Or rather, should I sell the phone and use the money to buy a battery? I don't know. You guys should tell me what to do. This is the case for the S20 Ultra. So I'll be removing this one. This one actually came with the phone. Like this guy can see it. Let me show you guys. Let me remove it for you guys to see. Like it's very, very light. Can you guys see? Look at the protector that came with an expensive phone. Can you imagine? Looks like a paper. So I think I'll be going for this one. I think this one is better than this one. This one is too light for my liking, so I think I prefer this one. Let me see. how it goes. It has a wiper. This is the wet one and this is the dry one, so I'll be using this one. I don't know if it's going to be easy because my hand is, I think I have cream in my hand, so let me see if I can do it. So there's a light one, wet one. You know what, guys, let me do it off camera because you guys can see my hand. I have cream on my hand, so let me do it and I'll show you guys what I have later. See you guys later. I have to remove this one. This is for the front. So you guys can see it. This thing is really not good. Like, it has bubble all over. Can you guys see it? It has bubble all over. So I'll still have to remove it then. I don't need to use any protector since I'm always careful with phone. So thank you guys for watching. I will see you all in my next video. So, bye bye.